Right guys, so there's been no updates of recent because we've had a little mishap. Unfortunately, somebody's backed into the Mondeo, causing a bit of damage, but I'm just picking it up and taking it to the body shop, so hopefully it will come back bigger and better. So stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe for all the updates and what's coming soon. Right guys, so at this point the car is at Alan's body shop, Bodymech. Go check him out, give him a like, give him a subscribe. So at this point the car's at the body shop and it is undergoing investigation to see what damage has been caused, and I'll update you shortly. Right guys, so the Mondeo has suffered stupid amounts of damage just from somebody backing into it. Where do I start? So the bumper's knackered, it's got a big hole in it, there's a start. The wings are knackered, they're both bent, as when it was reversed into, it's been knocked sideways into another car. So we need a bumper, we need wings, we need a bonnet, and also behind the bumper the slam panel is plastic, so that's snapped. The headlights snapped, and just things like the radiator mounts and everything like that, it all needs replacing. So the car needs a whole front end. So what the plan is, we're going to stick a facelift front end on it. As I have been pricing parts up in the meantime, and the prices are pretty much the same, so it's a non-brainer really as to what to do with that. So we're going to get Alan to stick a front end on it, and we'll see where we go from there, so stay tuned. So guys, just a bit of an update. The car's now got a facelift front end on it, minus a few parts. It's got the standard facelift grills on there. We're missing running lights and things like that, but I've been collecting parts, and we're off to Automodz now to put the sport grills and the fogs and the DRLs on. So we're going to go down there and we'll see you there. Hi guys, so we're just down at Automodz finishing the front end of the Mondeo off this morning. So we've got the gloss grills to go on, the washer jet, and also the DRLs, and we're going to see how it goes, so stay tuned. So car's up on the ramp. Mark's just stripping the front bumper down to remove it off. You can see that we've just got the standard Mark IV grills on there at the moment, but we're replacing them with the gloss black sport honeycombs. Fog lights were fitted a couple of weeks ago, but the running lights will go in here, and we need to get this washer jet sorted. So stay tuned. What?
I have to shave something off this. See how this one's been done?
Oh yeah.
To do it with them as well. Let me just work out how this one comes off.
fit.
It doesn't fit. Don't fit, Rich. Just clip it in.
Ooh. Ooh. Bumper refit in time. Right guys, so that's the end of the video. It's been a bit of a long one, been a long few weeks trying to get this car back into shape, but we've come out the other side now, and I'd just like to say a big thank you to Mark Automodz for all the effort that he's put in so far with this car. For him, we'd struggle really. Also a massive thank you to Alan Bodymech. I'll drop both links in the description below. If you could just pop over and give them both a like, it all helps both their businesses out. And yeah, so it's not a very nice video, but I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Lots more coming to this Mondeo shortly. We're going to be tuning it soon, so yeah, we'll see what power we can get out of it, and loads more planned. Hoping to facelift the rear end so it matches the front, along with side skirts and everything like that. So yeah, see you on the next one. Peace out guys.